So Sales Builder Pro helps the efficiency, the productivity, and the profitability of installs because we've got features built into the app, like the ductless layout report, the bill of materials, the site survey, and the rollover risk. All of these are vital, and they all lead to a proper, trouble-free, and profitable install every single time. So the biggest difference between our Essential, Preferred, and Premium package, number one, I don't do a lot of Essential packages because probably to me, the biggest thing is it doesn't include the install manager. And like I alluded to before, that's such a vital piece. When a comfort advisor is out there quoting a job, they would want that on there. And also it's better for the installers, right, to do a cleaner install. But with the Essential package, again, if somebody's really tight financially, or they just want to jump in and try to do, some ductless stuff and get their feet wet, certainly we'll offer that. But most contractors, when we show the install manager, they want to at least jump to the Preferred. And also they get the site surveys where you can have pictures and kind of draw on the app and show where the line set would go and the drain lines and all these things that we know are vital for installs. And then at the Premium level, you get customized forms for your particular business, which is pretty powerful.
All of our customers that I've talked to so far, usually when I'm in the demo phase and I'm showing them a demo, I get a lot of wows. They're all, the feedback has been, we need this. This would save me a lot of time. I can see how a lot of the mistakes that we're making we wouldn't make because we would have all the information that we need at our fingertips.
Sales Builder Pro install features set a contractor up for future success. It's pretty simple because our app is so easy to use and it's intuitive. And if they just use the tools that are built into the app, every single job, again, is going to be, like we've talked about previously, trouble-free, which is a huge win, but also profitable. And again, if they're hitting their goals and they're able to scale their business because they're winning more jobs, that's a win for everybody in the organization. And also, if they're winning more jobs, they're serving the community and serving the customer better as well.
When you can go through a list with the customer and you tell them, the guys are going to be here tomorrow at 7:30. This is where they're going to park. This is how long they're going to be here. They're going to need to take breaks. When you walk through all of these things with your customer, then you're easing their anxiety. A lot of times customers have never had new HVAC equipment installed and they don't know what to expect. So now you're making them feel more comfortable, you're helping them to be more relaxed, and you're setting yourself apart from other companies because most of the time other companies never discuss these things with customers. And so, they have a lot of anxiety going into it. All these little things, when you add them together, creates a great deal of customer satisfaction. And like Tripp said, the more customer satisfaction you have, the higher the chances are of them leaving you an amazing review.